cock or two?
Two for sale.
A cock or two for sale? You got two of them for sale?
You got a cock or two for sale.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Do you have a cockatoo for sale? The two for sale? You got two of them? Cockatoo for sale?
If what?
It's called a cockatoo for sale?
No, not cockatoo. No, cockatiels.
Oh, cockatiels.
Yeah.
Hey, you only got a hot song about birds?
No cockatoos.
Do you know they got a hot song about birds?
No, I don't.
It's a surfing word. You want to hear it?
Go ahead.
Ah, the bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word. The bow, bow. The bird is the word.
Okay.
How much is your birds for sale? Oh, the bow, bow. The bow, bow.
Depends what you want. You know, color and everything. They vary in prices.
Do they talk?
Cockatiels?
Yeah.
Yes, they do talk.
I want them to say, oh, nigga, me want pancakes for sale. The bow, bow. The bow, bow. The bow, bow. The birds are for sale.
I'm on the other line right now, so anything else I can help you with?
You got some parakeets?
No parakeets.
Shih Tzus?
That's it.
Front pools? You got watermelons?
I cannot stand you.
You got French toast?
Got niggas?
Do you have any little black kids for sale?
Nigeria?
Yeah, somebody on the line.
What do you think you're?